Hi everyone, my name is Gina Takeuchi and I will be going over the academic history section of your Cal State Poly application. You will start by adding all of the high schools you attended between 9th through 12th grade. And if you attended multiple high schools, it is important that you add all of the high schools you attended. So click Add High School. You can search for your high school by state, city, zip code, or SEEB code. So let's start typing in our city, San Diego, California. And you can search by schools in California, San Diego. You can also use a search tool to look for your high school. So if I want to look up San Diego High School, see what options it gives me. I do have to scroll down a little bit to find my high school, but here it is, San Diego High School. Next, you'll enter the dates you attended. So if I attended San Diego High School starting in 9th grade, let's say I started there in August of 2021, and this is where I will be graduating from. So my end date is say May 2025. For term type, this is determined based on how many grades you're receiving per class. So if you received 2 grades per class, you'll select semester. If you received 3 grades per class, you'll select trimester, etc. If you're not sure of what term type to select, please check with your counselor and they should be able to assist you. So for my school, it was a semester school. I received 2 grades per class, so I'll select semester and save this school. And then for my graduation status, I am planning to earn my high school diploma from San Diego High School. So I'll select those options. And my expected date to get that is May 2025. And save. If you completed high school outside of the US, you'll select yes. If you attended or completed high school only in the US, you'll select no. So for myself, I only attended San Diego High School. That's where I'm graduating from. So I'll select no for this question. I'll skip the colleges attended section for now. We'll go back to that in a little bit. For adding high school courses, this is where you'll add all of your approved A through G courses between 9th through 12th grade. If you took any math or language other than English classes in 7th and 8th grade, you can add those classes to your A through G. For math, it has to be something algebra or higher. And then for foreign language courses or LOT, language other than English, they have to be a LOT level 1 or higher. So if I took in 7th grade, let's say I took a math class in 7th grade that was algebra or higher, I'll go ahead and put that into my application so it counts for A through G. And you'll put your 7th grade under the high school you attended in 9th grade as well as the academic year. So you do not have to report your middle school for this application. So I attended San Diego High School in 9th grade, year 2021, even though I'm adding 7th grade courses. So let's say I started with integrated math 1 in 7th grade. If I start typing in INT for integrated, you'll see that it populates some options on the drop-down menu. Select the course from the drop-down menu. This will ensure that it matches up to the appropriate A through G category later on. So I took integrated math 1A, 1B. If you select the course from the drop-down menu, you do not have to change the course type. This will change automatically based on the course you select. And for the grades, let's say I received an A and an A, and click the green arrow check mark to save your coursework. I'll also show you how to add high school courses. So let's say in 10th grade, I attended San Diego High School. You do have to change the year. So I was in 10th grade in 2022, 2023. And let's say I took an English class in 10th grade, right? So I'll start typing in ENG. And I took English 3-4 in 10th grade. So I'll select that from the drop-down menu. Don't change the course type. Add your grades and save. And again, you'll do this for all of your approved A through G courses. If you took 12th grade courses, which you should be taking, let's add 12th grade. This is a little bit different because you are taking or planning to take certain courses your 12th grade. So I'll show you how to enter those courses if you don't have grades yet. So 12th grade at San Diego High School, select the year 2024, 2025. Let's say that I am taking another 12th grade English level class. So let's start typing ENG, see what options I have. And I took IB English higher level 2 or I am taking English higher level 2 in 12th grade. Select that. See how the course type changed automatically to International Baccalaureate or IB. So that's great. And then for my grades, if I'm currently taking the class in the fall, I put in progress. And if I'm taking the class in the spring, I'll put planned because you're in progress or planned for 12th grade in most situations. It is important that you add all of your 12th grade courses though for A through G so that your A through G counts are accurate and that you're meeting minimum CSU eligibility. For any courses that you are taking that are only one semester courses, so maybe you're taking economics in the fall and taking government in the spring, I'll show you how to add those courses. So let's start typing in econ. So I'm taking econ, don't change the course type. And for the fall, I am currently taking it, it's in progress. And in the spring, I am not taking the course because it is a one semester course. So I'll select no course for spring. On the flip side, if I'm taking government in the spring, start typing in gov. I would put no course for the fall and planned for this spring and save. Also be careful if you are using any abbreviations for classes. So if I took a US history class in 10th grade or 11th grade, and I start typing in US, no results are found because US history is an abbreviation for United States history, right? But you can also try typing U.S.history, and that should populate. And save. Once you've entered all of your approved A through G courses, make sure you save and continue on your application.